Why do you want to learn Mandarin Chinese? The reason may vary, but communication is often the key motivation. That's why Chinese Pinyin is essential for you. It teaches pronunciation and improves Mandarin speaking accuracy. In this video, we will discuss the importance of learning Chinese Pinyin, explore its brief history, and understand the structure of Pinyin. First, why learn Chinese Pinyin? Learning Mandarin Pinyin is essential for accurate pronunciation, aiding beginners in mastering the tonal language. It also helps building vocabulary with associating sounds with characters, enhancing word comprehension. Moreover, Pinyin serves as a valuable tool for communication and language input, bridging the gap between different language systems. Whether it's typing Chinese characters or interacting with native speakers, Pinyin enables effective communication and enhance the learning experience. Therefore, to master Mandarin Pinyin is a key step for beginners in their language journey. Second, brief history of Chinese Pinyin. Pinyin, a romanization system for Mandarin Chinese, has a rich history. It was developed in the 1950s by the committee led by the linguist Zhou Wang. The system aimed to make Mandarin pronunciation accessible to non-native speakers. Pinyin's creation was a part of China's language reforms, promoting literacy and simplifying character-based writing.
Do you speak Chinese?
我会说一点。
You don't speak English?
英文不好，不好意思说。
It quickly gained popularity and was adopted as the standard romanization system for Mandarin in mainland China. Pinyin's impact extended beyond language learning. It facilitated modernization, improved the communication, and enabled computer input. Today, Pinyin is an indispensable tool for learners and a bridge connecting Mandarin with the global community. Third, the structure of Pinyin. Let's see the forming of Pinyin first. Pinyin, the phonetic system for writing Mandarin Chinese using the Latin alphabets, is formed through a combination of initials, finals, and tones. It accurately represents the pronunciation of Chinese characters. By using a combination of these three elements, Pinyin allows learners to read and pronounce Chinese words. The initials represent the starting consonant sound, and the final represent the ending vowel or vowel plus consonant sound, and the tones indicate the pitch contour of each syllable. Now, let's have some introduction of initials. The initials in Pinyin represent the consonant sound at the beginning of Chinese syllables. There are 23 initials in total, including sounds like bo, po, mo, fo, and more. Some initials have similar sounds to English, while the others may require learners to practice and become familiar with the unique sound of Mandarin Chinese. Mastering the correct pronunciation of the initial is crucial for accurately speaking Chinese words and phrases. Then we have the introduction of finals. The finals in Pinyin represent the vowel or the vowel plus consonant sound at the end of Chinese syllables. There are 24 finals, including 6 single finals, such as a, o, The pronunciation of the finals varies from English, so it is important to learn and practice their specific sound. Understanding the different combination of finals helps learners accurately pronounce and differentiate between Chinese words. Lastly, let's have some introduction of tones. Tone plays a vital role in Mandarin Chinese pronunciation, and Pinyin represents them through diacritical marks. There are 4 tones: the high-pitched tone, the rising tone, the changing tone, and the falling tone. Each tone has a specific pitch contour that changes the meaning of a word. Pronouncing tone correctly is crucial for conveying accurate meaning in Chinese. Pinyin uses tone marks such as a, to indicate the tone for each syllable, helping learners produce correct tonal inflections. There are other aspects of Pinyin. Apart from initials, finals, and tones, there are a few other aspects in Pinyin worth mentioning. Pinyin doesn't include the letter V but uses the letter U with an umlaut to represent specific sound. Additionally, there is a neutral tone or a light tone in Mandarin, indicates to leave out the tone mark. Pinyin is widely used in mainland China, Singapore, and Taiwan for learning pronunciation, typing Chinese characters, and aiding communications. It serves as a crucial foundation for learners, helping them to read, write, and speak Mandarin accurately, bridging the gap between Roman alphabet and Chinese characters. So, this is everything for today. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you would like to know more about learning Chinese Pinyin, please click this video. And I will see you in next video.